country on the Trovit Cars application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should go to the home page by tapping on the search button, and then click on the settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then tap on your selected country, and here you can find the new one that you would like to change it for. So all you have to do is just simply tapping on it and click on the done button in the upper right corner again, and then it will be updated automatically, as you can see. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.